In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Lucidchart in Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab the embed code for your Lucidchart diagram and place it into your document, along with a few tips to make the process smooth. First, head to lucidchart.com in your browser. If you're prompted, sign in so you can access your workspace. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see your files organized by recency and folders. This is where we'll start. Next, click your recent document to open the diagram you want to use. Give it a quick look to confirm it's the right version and that everything is labeled the way you want. It's a good idea to finalize titles and keynotes now so your embedded content accurately reflects your work. Now, look to the top left of the Lucidchart editor and click the three horizontal lines, often called the menu or hamburger icon. This opens the main options for your document and sharing. From that menu, click Share. In the Share window, double-check your access settings. If you plan to share this document widely, ensure the visibility settings allow your intended audience to view it. Otherwise, an embed may be blocked by permissions. Keep in mind that loosening permissions makes your diagram more accessible, so choose the setting that fits your needs. Within the Share options, click Embed. This panel provides the HTML code you need. You may see optional settings such as size or whether the diagram is interactive. Adjusting width and height can help fit the diagram into the space where it will appear. If you leave the defaults, that's fine too. When you're ready, copy the HTML code. Use the copy button if one is available to avoid missing any characters. This snippet includes everything required for an embedded viewer in platforms that support HTML. Finally, paste it on Google Docs. Open your Google Doc, click where you want the diagram to appear, and paste the code. Note that Google Docs does not execute HTML, so you'll see the snippet as text rather than a live embedded diagram. This can still be useful as a reference or for handing off to someone who will embed it on a website or intranet. If you need a live preview inside Docs, consider using the Lucidchart integration available in Google Workspace, or include the diagram's share link alongside the code so readers can open it directly. That's it. You've captured the Lucidchart embed code and placed it into your Google Doc ready for sharing or handoff. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.